Yo, what's up guys, it's Aaron Carrier and today we're going to be buying this new 5-star shard offer that just came out. So it is, oh while I click on the calendar, I missed, right, it is 1,000 units, which luckily I have enough to buy. Oh, what is going on? It's 1,000 units, and you get 2,000 5-star shards, 2 tier 1 alphas, which I don't really need, champion boost, which is pretty good, and then 100k gold, which is alright. But boom, I'm just gonna buy it mainly because of the 5-star shards. So yep, that was nice. And now gonna quickly open one 4-star for you guys just to round off the video. I know it's a quick one, but one 4-star because we are saving for that massive crystal opening that we're gonna do soon on the channel, like in a few weeks time. Right, boom, put it in. Alright, let's see what we're gonna get. A Mega Red, Emma Frost is it? Oh, come on, please. Oh, Winter Soldier. Wow. That's great. He's on like 660 or something. Alright, this is the end of this video, guys.